Here you have the environment for Spider Anaconda. As I've mentioned, you have here, you can store your programs here. As I've shown you here, the program 1 program here, second program here, third program here, and you can execute. When you execute this program, the result is going to come here in this window. So this is a window to store your Python. As you see, I've stored it as testprograms.py, testprograms.py. These are some of the programs I've written to test. And the advantage, as I said, you have written the program and the programs are available all the time because they are saved. So let us see. Now, how do we write these programs? Very simple. So what you do is, for example, take this. You say it is immediately it makes a window there. For example, A is equal to 20, then B is equal to 30, C is equal to A plus B, then is a print A comma B comma C. So I have written the program, then I'll save it as it is. This is saved in the same file, test file. To execute this program, what I do is I press Control Enter. Control Enter. As you see, it has executed that program and it has given you the sum here, last statement. These are the other assignment statements. They are not shown there. So only the output statement, the value of the output statement is shown here, 20, 30, 50. I've got the second program where we use the input command. As you see, input, enter the temperature in Celsius. So it is stored in C. Then it displays the temperature in Celsius. Then it converts that temperature into Fahrenheit and displays the temperature. Let us see what happens. Since it is already written, it is saved. I say Control S again, saves. I say Control Enter. So it asks me to enter temperature in Celsius. I enter 100 and immediately it gives you temperature in Celsius is equal to 100. Temperature 100 degrees centigrade is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. So that is the second program. So as you see, the advantage is that you can store and these programs are available for you. Third program is to convert program to find the area of a triangle. So I input the length of the base and length of the height and then calculate. Let us see what happens now. So I have saved it. So let us see. So it asks me therefore to enter the base. Base I'll say 20. Then it will say height, I say 10. So the answer should be 100. As it says, the area of a triangle with 20 base and 10 height, they may be centimeters or meters, whatever it is, I have not mentioned that, is equal to 100. So this is how you can use this IDE, Integrated Development Environment, to save your programs, you test your programs, and then for example here, you can directly test here, so A is equal to 10. So then you say B is equal to 20. Then C is equal to A plus B. So immediately you can say C. Let us see what happens. C. So it gives you the answer for that. C 30. So or you can say print A comma B comma C. So let us see what happens. So it's again prints. So you have got on the right hand side the command prompt where you can enter, test your commands, and here on the left hand side you can write your programs, save these programs. So you have to select each of these programs like this and then just enter press Control Enter, and immediately only that program is going to be executed. So that is the advantage of Spider Anaconda for testing your programs, for saving your programs.